Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to add Spotify to your WordPress website step by step. Whether you want to embed your favorite playlist, an album, or even your podcast, this guide will make it super simple. Stick around till the end because I'll share a quick pro tip that'll make your Spotify embeds look even more professional on your site. All right, let's jump straight in. First, log into your WordPress account. Head over to wordpress.com and click on login in the top right corner. If you're already signed in, perfect. If not, you can quickly use continue with Google. That's the fastest way to access your dashboard. Once you're in, look for your site under My Sites and then click Edit Site. This will open up the full site editor, the place where all the magic happens. Now, to add Spotify, we'll use one of WordPress's built-in tools called the Spotify Embed Block. Here's how. Inside the editor, click the plus Add button on the top left corner of your screen. In the search bar that appears, type Spotify. From the results, select Spotify Embed. This is the block that allows you to integrate Spotify playlists, albums, tracks, or podcasts directly into your post or page. Next, go to Spotify. Open the song, album, or playlist you want to embed. Click on the three dots next to the title. Choose Share, and then click Copy Embed Code or Copy Song Link. Go back to WordPress and paste that link into your Spotify block. WordPress will instantly recognize it and display a live preview of your Spotify player. Just like that. You can resize or reposition the block to fit your layout perfectly. If you want to center it or adjust spacing, you can use the alignment tools right above the block. And that's it. Your Spotify content is now fully embedded and ready to go live. When visitors open your site, they can play your music or podcast directly from the page, exactly, without leaving your website. And that's how easy it is to add Spotify to your WordPress website. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and practical WordPress tutorials. Drop a comment below if you'd like me to cover embedding YouTube or SoundCloud next, and I'll see you in the next video.